Introducing Inclusive Heroes. During the last 2 years, organizations have been forever disrupted. Our new reality demands a new kind of approach. To unleash innovation and performance, organizations have embraced the need for diversity and inclusion. Yet, research shows 65% of employees don't think their organizations are diverse and inclusive. Only 47% of employees describe their workplaces as psychologically safe, and employee turnover attributed to racial inequity costs organizations up to $172 billion. To reach optimal performance, every employee must feel included. So how can we create more inclusive cultures? The Inclusive Heroes Keynote and workshop dissects 6 key behaviors, skills, and competencies to help you and your colleagues raise awareness, cultivate courage, and achieve organization transformation. Focus on inclusion, unleash world-class performance. The Inclusive Heroes Method.